Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing an exciting new launch, the gloss. And I went out and picked up, ooh, not one, not two, not three, not four. Oh my gosh, I have to put it down. Not five, but six different shades for six gorgeous, gorgeous shades. That is only 1/3 of the collection available. Finishes are Glitter Fantasy and Extreme Shine. Come out, darn you, come out. Diet Freeze. It is this gorgeous blue color, and on the hand, you can see what it looks like. So much time and effort and energy and like mojo put into these products that I don't feel like he would release something if he wasn't happy with it. And because of that, I had no problems going out and buying 6 of these. It smells like vanilla. I like it a lot. But looking at it, I really like it. It's not a very bright, like, bam, blue like it is here in the bottle, but it just gives a sort of nice blue tint to my natural lip color, and I like it. It's like a really subtle, like, hi. Absolutely, I'm a fan. Mwah. It didn't really leave a tacky feeling at all. This is one of the glitter ones. This one is Her Glossiness. Ooh, I like it. Ooh-wee. That is some gorgeous, gorgeous color. I feel like it's light enough and it's so glittery. It would actually really go over anything to give it more of like honestly, it looks kind of like vibrant in the tube, but I really feel like that could be like an everyday color if you spread it out more thin. Ooh, look at that. I feel like that's just on my natural lip. Seriously, how can you go wrong with this? So gorgeous. Oh my god. Like, correct me if I'm wrong, like I feel like there's more pink in here than it lets on, and maybe it's just the shimmer, but I feel like it made my lips look a little bit more rosy. Wow, that's crazy. No, it feels real like light. Like you can't really tell if there's anything there. Yeah, it kind of feels like the chapstick. Feeling they would be good, but I didn't know they were gonna be this good. Like, wow. Candy Drip. So Candy Drip looks like a very soft, peachy color. No, it is a little bit darker than this, but it's cute. Okay, so let's swatch it here on my hand. Oh. No, it's still, like, it's incredibly shiny, but it is a very soft baby pink. I mean, one pump in the bottle and it gets both top and bottom full coverage. Mute my lips a little bit more, but it gives them that like softer sort of feel to it. I'm silly, I know. A safe word. Ooh, watch it on the hand. Oh my god. This one is one of the glitter finishes. Man, just looking at it even up close. There's so much green to it. Die more. This actually kind of reminds me of, in the Blue Blood collection, there's a highlighter called Expensive. It gives me expensive vibes. Oh. Damn. Gorgeous. Oh, love it. So you guys can see actually how highlighted it is, and there's so much glitter packed in. Oh, you all know it's gonna be my go-to. This one is Shockwave. Now again, this is more in, I believe, in the nudes. Let's see if it created Shockwave. So it is a very like, it's gold. Hey, listen, I feel like the gloss itself doesn't have much pigment, but it's mostly glitter. So it's just this very like shiny. Oh no, I take that back. Yeah, there's some color there. Oh, but look at that shine. It's so pretty. Oh, oh my god. I feel like $1 million wearing this. Seriously. Yes. It's like, ooh. Last but not least was one that I was sort of on the fence about. I really wanted it because it was such a shocking color, but like, oh, I was nervous about pulling the trigger on it, but you know what? I decided just go for it because I'd rather have it and not like it than not have it and regret not having it, if that makes any sense. So this one is the last color called Spank Me. As soon as I saw it online on the Instagram page, I liked it. I said, yes, I agree. Look at that. Yeah, no, in the bottle, I'm so excited. Just seeing it in the bottle, I'm really glad that I own this. This is mine. Spank Me. Ooh, so pink. So again, of course, this is a very vibrant pink. It makes my lips just like pop, pow. Take it a step further for you guys. I actually want to take these and apply them over not one, not two, but 3 different kinds of Jeffree Star liquid lips. The versatility of these lip glosses. Okay, guys, so here we have the 3 colors: Prom Night, Nathan, and Jawbreaker. Go ahead and start with Spank Me and see how Spank Me works over these 3 shades. The vibrancy here just kind of got lost, but you can tell it is very shiny. On Nathan, you can tell it is a softer pink lip, and it really enhances the glitter here. I feel like it just added some depth to that color because Jawbreaker is a very bright blue. That is Spank Me over the 3 liquid lips. The 3's on my lips, and let's try Shockwave. Shockwave. Okay, so we have the 3 liquid lips and blue freeze on it. Oh god. Oh, look what I did with Prom Night. Oh, and Jawbreaker. You see that difference between without and with. Blue freeze is definitely a versatile color. And it's shocking, but like I said, I trusted. I'm glad I did. Oh my god, yes. Okay, no, I don't want to put that back because I have to put that. But alright guys, so that concludes the video of the gloss unboxing and honest review. And again, you can see I used over 3 different shades of various lipsticks so you can see what it does to each of the colors. And again, you saw what I did to my bare lips, and is it a standalone on its own? Get it. Alright, so don't forget, I will have links to the products below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and don't miss any new content that comes out. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye. By the way, I tried a new lash glue and I don't like.